Have you ever heard of HeLa cells? They've been around for more than 60 years. HeLa cell is a line or population of cells taken from a person and used in scientific research. Cell lines are used in all kinds of ways, such as studying the effects of diseases or developing medication and vaccines, and play an invaluable role in medicine today. HeLa is the first cell line of human cells to survive in vitro, the first immortal one grown in a lab, and the cells continue to thrive and multiply 60 years later. Named after a cancer patient, the cells were taken from Henrietta Lacks. Henrietta Lacks of Virginia died in 1951 at age 31 from her cervical cancer tumor. Lacks tissue samples were grown by a researcher named Dr. George Guy. Dr. Guy grew her cells and quickly realized that some of Lacks cells were different from normal cells. While those died, they just kept growing. After more than 60 years, there are now billions and billions of HeLa cells in labs all over the world, and is the most commonly used cell line. The HeLa cells have been used in many groundbreaking medical research. They were used to develop a vaccine for polio, as the first human cells successfully cloned, being involved in research in cancers, AIDS, HPV, to study the effects of radiation and toxic substances. Her reactor lags had a huge impact in lab medicine. Scientists have grown some 20 tons of her cells, and there are almost 11,000 patents involving HeLa cells. Henrietta Lacks died in 1951 at 31, but millions have been helped by study of her cells.